Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can find out exactly when you have friended someone in the Facebook application. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. Open the Facebook app on your device. And then at the bottom, go to Menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, you will need to scroll down this menu a little bit and find the Activity Logs section. Go to that. Next is Activity History. It may take a little while for the information to load if you have a fairly large activity history. Next, click on the Filters section. And now Categories. Next, select the third connection point. And here you'll need to select Friends. And now select your friends. This will take you to a list of people who are your friends, and you can see when and what year, what month they became your friends. And as you can see, from the most recent of your friends to the oldest, this list goes down. Friends, this is the simple way you can find out when you became friends with any user on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.